Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and jump into a new data type. It's an actual data structure. It's a list. It's called a list, I should say. And what lists are basically they are a data type that holds other objects. All right. So lists can be objects themselves, and they also hold other objects. In theory, in the computer, they're not really actually holding this data. That's just how it's displayed to us. It's actually referencing data in the memory, all right? But it knows that it belongs to that list. All right, so lists are used quite often by programmers. We can put several different types of data in a list. For example, let's take a look at what a list looks like, and I'll show you the different types of data we can put in there. All right, so we're going to use A to represent our list object. We indicate a starting list with a square bracket with the opening to the right, and we close a list with the square bracket to the left. All right. Inside the list, we can put other data. So let's go ahead and put a string. We're going to say my name's Tom, which it is. My name's Myers. All right, last name's Myers. I'm 36 years old. Oops, I wish I was 26. 36 years old. I was born in 1981. All right, and we'll close out our list. So if we look here, we got string, integer, and an integer. So this whole thing is a list object, and like I said, we got strings and integer objects in there. So we can combine different data types inside a list. Lists are mutable, so we can take stuff out, put stuff in. Lists are also in a sequence, like when we looked at strings, we can access them by their index position. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. So in the next several tutorials, we're going to take a look at accessing the objects in a list so we can work with a single object or multiple objects. We're going to look at updating objects in a list so we can change the objects in and out. We're going to remove objects from a list. We're also going to see how many objects are in a list and much, much more. So check out the next tutorials. We'll see you there. If you have any questions, head over to mastercode.online. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial.